Diam.
Say one, say one. Everybody shout. Happy birthday, Gab. One more. Happy birthday, Gab. Happy birthday, Gab. Everybody, palakpakan naman po. Ayan. Hi everyone, hi! Hi kids! Hello po! Ayan. My name is Kuya RJ. Alright, for my next magic, I need a volunteer from the audience. Kailangan ko a cute little girl. Can you help me? Isabella, come on stage! Okay. Alright, give them a round of applause, Isabella, everybody. Hi, Aunt Isabella. How old are you? 4 years old, okay. I'm going to teach you a magic trick, okay? Isabella? Okay, all you have to do just follow Kuya RJ. Gagayahin mo lang si Kuya RJ, then I'll give you a great prizes, okay? Okay, give them a round of applause, Isabella, everybody. Smile. Hop. I have, what is this, kids? A tissue paper. Hold it for me, Isabel. Hop. Like that. And hook. Up. Like that. Okay, follow what I'm doing, okay? Up. One. Up. Up. Very good, Isabella.
Move it, make it,
Like that.
never
1, 2.
lose it, fix it, break it, never break it, pop it, devastate it, rub it, tear it, tear it, keep it, once I rock it, then I lick it, push it, take it, shake it, squeeze it, do it, yeah,
Okay, who next? Come on. There you go. Go. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Like that. Turn around. Up. What am I doing? 1, 2, 3. Wow. Up. And up. 1, 2, 3. Check! Okay. Follow what I'm doing, okay? Check! No! Point your finger like that. Point your finger, Isabella. Point your finger, circle. Watch this. 1, 2, 3, go! One more. 1, 2, 3, go! Everybody knows Isabella, everybody. One more to it. Go!
once I rock it, then I lick it, push it, screw it, shake it, squeeze it, do it, yeah, wanna lick it.
Everybody shout, happy birthday, Gab! Music go, music go. Go, Isabella. 1, 2, 3, go! Alright, give them a round of applause, Isabella, everybody. High five, high five. Okay, smile at the camera, don't move. Stay there and smile. Alright, thank you very much, Isabella. Give them a round of applause, Isabella. Thank you. Go down. Go down. Thank you so much, Isabella. Okay, for my next magic, okay, I need a volunteer from the audience. Kailangan ko, music please. Okay, for my next magic, I need a volunteer from the audience. Kailangan ko a cute little boy! Cute boy! Can you help me? Later, Kuya Gab, okay? What is your name? Again, your name is? Nico! How old are you, Nico? 55? Just 5 years old, okay? Smile at the camera. Okay, like that, foggy, right? And... Smile! One, two, three, go! Look! What is this? Pick up, what is this? Egg. Okay, egg. This egg, gagawin natin siyang bird. Who wants a bird? Who wants a bird? Nathan? Okay? And Mia, okay? Hold it for me. I'll get my magic bag. Oh! My magic bag! Okay, clearly all we have to do is just put the egg inside the bag. Egg turns into a bird. Put the egg inside the bag. And say the magic word, abracadabra! I want it loud and clear. Say abracadabra! Say abracadabra! Wow, very good. That's good. Say abracadabra! Wow. I get the microphone. Huh. Check, check. Say abracadabra! Abracadabra! Wow, abracadabra. Okay, again. Abracadabra! Abracadabra! No, it's a toy, it's a toy. Oh, it's not real, it's a toy, right? Here you go. I'll put the egg inside the bag. Egg turns into a bird. So I'll get my magic. What do you call this? The long stick? The magic wand. Magic wand. Kuya Nico, I have here my magic wand. Okay, Kuya Nico? I have here my magic wand. All you have to do is just hold the wand for me, then wave it in the air, okay? Wave it in the air. 1, 2, 3, and stop the bag. You need to wave the wand and tap the bag. Hold it for me. Wave the wand and tap the bag. What happened, Marco? You need to wave the wand and tap the bag. What behind me? What happened, Marco? What's up? What happened? You need to blow the wand. Nico, go. Go. 1, 2, 3, go. Hold inside and tap the bag. Do it again. Wave the wand for a minute. You need to wave the wand. Did you Okay, instead of one, I'm using my magic flower. Who wants to see my magic flower? My magic flower. Okay, all you have to do, Kuya Nico, smell the flower from me. Smell and wave it in the air. You need to smell, okay? Smell first, hold first, and hold it, smell, and wave it. You need to smell. Back, be behind me. Oh yeah, it's fake. Oh, I guess real rose. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, this one is the real rose. Okay. It will not break anymore. Oh. Okay. Hold it tight, Nico. Okay. Hold it tight. So that will. I'm so soft. Wow. What? You know. Oh. Good. 1, 2, 3. Okay, get set it up. Go. I'll get my magic pen. Go. A red pen. I have another. Go. Silver pen. 1, 2, 3. I have another. Wow. Another pen. Here you go. Don't move. Okay, this time I'll get my magic wand. Yeah, my magic wand. Wow. What is this? Big wand. Okay, you need to just make a one for me. 1, 2, 3, and tap the back. Okay? Hold it. And count of 3, okay? 1. Everybody count. 1, 2, 3, and tap the back. Do it again, okay? One more time. Everybody count. 1, 2, 3, and tap the back. Oh! Everybody shout, Happy birthday, Gab! 1, 2, 3, go! Wow! Give them a round of applause to Lady, everybody! Go! 1. I have something for you, Lady. Thank you so much. Give them a round of applause to Lady. Okay, thank you so much, Lady. Okay, for my next magic, who wants to see my pet? Huh? Okay, oh, Tiki, come on stage. Oh. Okay, say hi to everyone. Hi, say hi, Tiki. Hi. Tiki, come on. Let's go, come on. Come on. Okay, Tiki loves to play basketball. Who wants to play basketball? With Tiki. Nico. Stop. So watch this. Now, magic? Yes? Okay, for my next magic, I need to volunteer from the audience. Tara si Mami. Mami! Where's si Mami? Mami! Ayan si Mami. Mami! Mami! Hi po! Mami, I need to volunteer from the audience. Kailangan ko beautiful Mami or Tita. Sino kaya? Mami or Tita? Sino? Beautiful Mami or Tita?
Sit down, Nico, sit
Ano
down.
yun po?
Sit down, sit down. Sit down.
Bea, Minor. Ba't para pa ka naman si Tita Bea? Bea, nasa sa kasan, ma? Nasaan ka? Ayun yung maganda. Wala po kayo naman si Tita Bea. Tita Bea naman on stage. Right. So, Tita Bea. Ayan. Hi, Tita Bea. On stage. Ayan. Hi po. Hello daw. Hi. Hi daw. Hi naman kayo dyan. Ayan. Mamamamagic tayo. Okay, syempre may prizes to galing kay Mami. Palapakan nyo naman si Mami, everybody. Okay, may prizes to. 2,000 pesos! O, 2,000 galing kay Mami. Tag 1,000 tayo. Tag 1,000 tayo. 2,000. Palapakan nyo naman si Mami, 2,000. Ayan, 2,000. 2,000 na. O, tag 1,000. Sige, already. This thing is called the world's most dangerous card magic. Ma'am, dangerous store. So kids, don't try this at home. Okay? I have here my regular deck of cards. Okay? Ma'am, pag sinabi ko, pag triple ko yung cards, sasabihin nyo lang, ma'am, stop. Okay? Ready, go! Sabihin nyo lang po, stop. Ready? Go! Okay, ma'am, your card. Look at it po. Don't show it to me. Show it to everybody. Kay Mami. Kay Tita. Kay Tito. Quiet, please. Put it back in the middle. Okay, shuffle the card for me. Okay, sabi ko nga, this trick is called the world's most dangerous card magic. And then may prizes galing kay? Magkano yung prizes? 5,000. 2,000 lang galing kay Mami. Okay, ito yung deal. Pag sinabi ni Kuya RJ, ma'am, everybody say yes. Mom! Yes! Walang energy sa gitna eh. Mom! Yes! Ayan, galing. Sa gilid! Mom! Yes! Sa likod! Mom! Yes! Ganun lang. Okay? Pag sinabi ko naman throw the card, all the cards you hold po, to throw nyo, hagis nyo po sa gitna. Ganun lang kadali. Okay? Practice natin. Mom! Yes! Throw the card! Paano simple para, hawak niyo, magpare. Ayan na. I'm going to stop the card. Tusok! Palakpakan! Ready, abot na ni Mami yung 2,000. Yes, okay na ha? Okay, ready! Practice game! Mom! Yes! Walang energy. Sa akin yung 2,000, di ba? Mom! Yes! Throw the card! Energy. Okay? Ang pasinabi, yes po, pag saan namin kung throw the card lang, ang hindi lang po sa kita, huwag na tamaan yung kids. Okay? Kasi pag tinamaan yung kids, tayo magbabayad yung 2,000. Okay? So ready, practice natin ulit. Ito yung card ko lumari. Go! Mom! Yes! Wala pa oh. Kaya nga. Ready natin. Mom! Yes! Throw the card! Yes, yan. No. Already na. Hold up. Nawa ka niyo, ma'am. I'll get my sword. Sword! 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 Oh, just pretend lang. Okay na. Okay na. Kunwari sword. Okay. Ma'am, pag sinabi ko, throw the card, everything. Pag ano, dito lang. Ready na. DJ, drummer, please. Mom! Yes! Nasa na po yung 2,000? Wala pa mamaya. Ano ito? Take it back home. Tapos natin ito, ito, nag-rehearse tayo kanina, nakakaya kay Mami. Nakakaya sa bisita, layo na pinanggalingan nila. Ano ba? Ano ba sila? Ano? Mami, sorry. Sayang yung 2,000. Sayang 2,000. Di ba okay lang ulitin namin? Okay lang ulitin namin? O sayang baka gawin 4,000, 5,000, di ba? Okay. Ready? DJ Ramon, please. This time, in a count of 3. Mom! Yes! Mom! Yes! 1, 2, 3, go! Mom! Mom! Your card is broken! Thank you very much. Your card is 6 of diamonds. Thank you very much. Paano pa rin naman si Tita Everybody? Siyempre, kids, your prices, right? How much your prices? 10,000. 2,000. Actually, kanina may pinabot sa akin si Mami. Sabi niya, Kuya RJ, kung munang bahala mabigay ng 1,000, then yung 1,000 iabot sa akin ni Mami. Yung sa akin. Okay. Mami na po. 1,000 pesos! 1,000. Kids, 1,000, right? 1,000. Tita, 1,000. 1,000. 1,000, di ba? 1,000. Oh, 1, 2, 3. 1,000 pesos. Thank you very much. Walang po kayo naman si Tita Everybody. Your 1,000 pesos po. Walang po. I have something for you po. Worth 1,000 pesos flower for you. Give them a round of applause to Tita Everybody. Alright, kids. Who wants to see a bubble magic? Raise your hands. This time, a bubble magic. Are you ready, guys? Let's go.
Alright, so kids get ready for the bubble show. Do you want more? How about in the back? Do you guys want more? Ladies and gentlemen, once again put your hands together for RJ the Magician for his unbelievable show.
Hi, I'm back. Yeah.